Español rápido, útil, fácil. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿De dónde eres? ¿Quién eres tú? Aprender español es maravilloso y es mágico. ¿Qué? ¿Cómo? ¿En serio?
Hola a todos y bienvenidos a Español Simple con Gia. Here's a list of things that you will learn in Spanish in today's video. Greetings, saludos, goodbyes, despedidas, expressions of courtesy, expresiones de cortesía. Let's begin. We will start with some basic greetings. I'm going to use the heading Saludos, which means greetings. Then I'm going to list some greetings and tell you what they mean. Hola, hello. Buenos días, good morning. Buen día, good day. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Let's go to despedidas, and these are goodbyes. Buenas noches, good night. Hasta la vista, until next time or see you next time. Hasta pronto, see you soon. Hasta luego, see you later or until then. Hasta mañana, see you tomorrow. Adiós, goodbye. Nos vemos, see you later or catch you later. Now let's look at some expressions of courtesy. Expresiones de cortesía. Por favor, please. Gracias, thank you. De nada, you're welcome. Lo siento, I'm sorry. Disculpa, sorry or pardon. And you use this one when you want to interject. For example, disculpa, ¿de dónde eres? Pardon, where are you from? Salud, bless you or cheers. ¿Cómo estás? This means how are you? And this you'll use with friends. And then you have ¿Cómo está usted? This also means how are you? This is a formal or the polite way of asking someone how they're doing. And ¿Cómo están ustedes? This also means how are you? But this is when you're addressing a group. So, ¿Cómo están ustedes? Means how are you all? Okay, it's your turn. Which category would you put the following words in? Would you use saludos for greetings, despedidas for goodbyes, or expresiones de cortesía for expressions of courtesy? So, as soon as you hear me say a word, decide which category you would put this word in. Let's go. The first one is Buenos días. Muy bien. You would put that under saludos. Now let's look at ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. Expresión de cortesía. Hasta mañana. Muy bien. That one would go under despedidas. How about gracias? Muy bien. Expresión de cortesía. What do you think about buenas tardes? Muy bien. We'd go with saludos. How about por favor? Muy bien. Expresión de cortesía. And what about de nada? That one is also expresión de cortesía. How about hasta la vista? Muy bien, that's despedida. And hola. Muy bien, that's saludo. And the last one, hasta pronto. Muy bien, that one also goes on the despedidas. Buen trabajo. Okay, now that you've categorized your greetings, saludos, goodbyes, despedidas, and expressions of courtesy, expresiones de cortesía, let's see if you can use them appropriately. How would you respond to each situation in Spanish? Here's situation number 1. If you are given a gift, what expression of courtesy should you use to express your gratitude? Muy bien, you would say gracias. All right, let's go to situation number 2. If you accidentally step on someone's toe, how would you express your regret? Muy bien, you would say lo siento. Now 3. How do you greet people in the morning? Muy bien, you would say buenos días. Now on to situation number 4. You are leaving your friend's house, but you want to let her know that you will be seeing her the next day. What do you say? Muy bien, you say hasta mañana. And you are addressing a group of people and you want to find out how everyone is doing. What question do you ask? Muy bien, you ask, ¿Cómo están ustedes? Buen trabajo. Okay, let's do a quick check before you leave. Do you know how to use the following in Spanish? Greetings, saludos, goodbyes, despedidas, expressions of courtesy, expresiones de cortesía. I hope you answered yes to all those questions, but if you didn't, simply watch the video again. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment before you leave. Also, check out my previous video. The link will be on the screen. Adios!